following message is transmitted at the request of Indianapolis Emergency Management. There have been reports of an uprising of mimes in several of the streets in the downtown area. Individuals dressed in black and white clothing with black and white face paint have been reported to be terrorizing the public. They are trapping people in inescapable boxes and using ropes to drop heavy objects. The intent behind their attacks are unknown at this time. If you see a group of mimes heading towards you, leave the area immediately. Confronting them directly may result in injury or death. Get indoors and shelter in place until the threat has passed. Law enforcement has been dispatched to deal with the situation. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of Indianapolis Emergency Management. The invasion of the mimes has now spread across the entire city and to surrounding suburbs. Mimes have been terrorizing the public, causing riots and significant damage to people and property. Martial law has been declared and military enforcement has been called in to deal with the situation. Anyone in a mime outfit or being seen causing damage to people and property will be arrested and may be imprisoned without trial. All residents in the city of Indianapolis are still strongly encouraged to shelter in place until an all-clear signal is given. Close all windows and doors, and go to an interior room. Continue to monitor local media outlets for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of Indianapolis Emergency Management. This is an all-clear message. It is safe to exit your shelters, and the order for martial law has ended. The attack of the mimes has subsided as most of them have been apprehended and imprisoned. If you still see a mime in your area, call 911 immediately.